Let's investigate if our company is being abused in some phishing campaigns or malicious activity. You can use different modifiers and criteria for the search. In this example, we are looking for a URL, entity:/URL, that contain Capital One credit cards. For that, we will use content search, but are not under the legitimate parent domain Capital One, not parent_domain:_Capital One. We can see that there are several suspicious URLs with detections. Some engines have already classified them as phishing.